When it comes to data management, approvals are very important to decide whether a part is ready for production or not. These approvals come in many different shapes and sizes, whether it's a manual emailing process or an in-depth automated workflow. The ultimate goal is to keep files organized and understand the history of these files as well. In the 3DEXPERIENCE environment, there are multiple tools to help accomplish this goal, depending on the level of complexity that you need, whether that's just marking the file as approved or sending the file through a multi-step approval process between multiple departments. We can use tools like Collaborative Lifecycle to understand what state our file is in work, frozen, or released. But how can we automate this process and ensure all parties are included at the appropriate stage? This is where route management comes into play, allowing us to create process templates to ensure our files are being approved by the right people. Let's find out more about how we can utilize route management to create an approval process workflow in this 3DEXPERIENCE tech tip. To use a route, it's best to first create a route template, which is easy to do and sets all of the parameters of how the route should work, including things like what the route is used for, who can use the route, what happens when the route is complete, and more. Different templates can be made for different scenarios as well, but once the template is created, users can launch the route to initiate the approval process when they need something to be approved. Let's see an example of how we can use this route in action to get our files approved using our company's approval process. Starting as an engineer in SOLIDWORKS, I just finished creating this design and it is now ready to be approved. I'll initiate the route directly inside of SOLIDWORKS to notify a peer that this design is ready to be reviewed, and I will send it to them. For example purposes, I will act as the peer, but you're able to choose who receives the first task. As the peer, we receive the task in our Collaborative Tasks application, as well as get a notification. Our peer can review this file from anywhere using 3D Play or any of these applications to decide if things look good or need more work. When they are finished reviewing, they can push the design to the next stage of our route, allowing the management team to have the final say on approval. Our manager will do the same thing by reviewing the file and ensuring the design is acceptable. When they are done reviewing, they can complete the task, which automatically moves the file to the released state based on how the route template is set up. Although this example is simple, the route management widget is very powerful and can be used to kick off multiple tasks to ensure your designs are handled with care from conception to production. This gives the user a robust solution for creating workflow-like approvals on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, while taking advantage of automation and collaboration to ensure files are released for production without any flaws. If you liked this video, please check out our other tech tips, as well as our 3DEXPERIENCE data management course to find more helpful information about creating revisions, using maturity states, and other data management concepts. Thanks for watching.